The automatic granule weighing filling machine is equipped with high-precision load cells and servo control system, which can accurately weigh and fill various granular materials, from fine spice granules to large nut particles. It features adjustable weighing range, stable filling speed, and minimal material waste, ensuring consistent dosage for each tin can and meeting the strict requirements of food production. The automatic vacuum nitrogen gas flushing tin can sealing machine works seamlessly with the filling machine, adopting a dual fresh cooking technology of vacuum extraction and nitrogen flushing. First, it extracts air from the tin can to form a low-pressure vacuum environment, then flushes high-purity nitrogen to replace residual air, effectively isolating oxygen, moisture, and impurities. This dual process maximizes the prevention of granular food oxidation, dampening mildew and taste deterioration, greatly extending the shelf life while maintaining the original texture, flavor, and nutritional value of the products. The line reduces manual labor intensity, improves production continuity and efficiency, and can be seamlessly integrated into existing food packaging lines. Widely used in nut, snack, health supplement, spice, confectionery, and cereal industries. It provides a reliable